Hey folks, welcome to the channel. I'm Don. This is Rockin' the Country, where I do non-pop music, country music reactions. So it's traditional country, it's western, bluegrass, and such. And every so often, I'll do a song that I call it for my Country Heart series. These are songs that were not marketed as country, but have a country feel to them to me. Just sometimes nice, relaxed, other times deep lyrics, but they just sort of hit me a certain way. And the Grateful Dead has a number of songs that fit that category because Jerry Garcia, the founding member of the Dead, prior to founding the Grateful Dead, was in a country band. And the Grateful Dead is a fusion of jazz, rock, country. I mean, they're just the Grateful Dead. They're their own brand. Some of the folks on the channel have been pleasantly surprised that the Grateful Dead is this easy, sort of very easy to listen to and just beautiful music versus what the name of the band suggests, that it would be like some heavy metal crazy stuff. It's definitely not that. I love the bass here. And you'll see the harmonies.
Birds are winging, no rain is falling from a heavy sky. What do you want me to do for you, to see you through? For this is all a dream we dreamed one afternoon long ago.
Beautiful.
Walk out of any doorway, feel your way like the day before. Maybe you'll find direction around some corner where it's been waiting to meet you. What do you want me to do? To watch for you while you sleep.
Oh, that's nice.
Then please don't be surprised when you find me dreaming too.
The piano. It's impossible to not feel good listening to songs like this. Look into any eyes, you'll see value. You can see clear through another day. Wow. What a way to put it. Look into any eyes, you'll see value. What a way. The way I hear that is, what a way to say that every human being has worth, and it just goes beyond them being human, but there's depth to them. I love that.
Seen before through other eyes on other days while going home. What do you want me to do for you, to see you through? It's all a dream we dreamed one afternoon long ago. Splintered sunlight, inch your way through dead dreams to another land. words half spoken and thoughts unclear. What do you want me to do for you, to see you through?
You hear the beauty of that? Like, that's the feel-good part of it, that he's like, what do you want me to do, like, to help see you through? I mean, that's why it feels so good. It's like, well, there's somebody here who wants to help somebody. I mean, that's just sort of part of the subtext to the feel-good feel of their songs.
A box of rain will ease the pain, and love will see you through.
Box of rain, I don't even know.
Just a box of rain, wind and water. Believe it if you need it. If you don't, just pass it on. Sun and shower, wind and rain, in and out the window like a moth before a flame.
That bass is still going.
And it's just a box of rain. I don't know who put it there. Believe it if you need it, or leave it if you dare. And it's just a box of rain, or a ribbon for your hair.
I never understood that.
Such a long, long time to be gone, and a short time to be there.
What a way to end a song. But I never understood that line. Well, first, a box of rain. What is that referencing? And then, but in the end of this, toward the end of the song, it says, but it's just a box of rain or a ribbon for your hair. Is this just sort of like part of the imagination? Not theirs, but just representing the imagination, that certain things can be whatever you want them to be. I don't know. I mean, there are bands whose lyrics I've been listening to for 50 years and I still don't know what they mean. And it's okay. Like some Led Zeppelin songs, I don't know what they're singing about. What can I say? That's just some lyrics just are not very discernible. ELO, it's not ELO. Man for Man's Earth Band, I don't know. Blinded by the Light, whoever did that one, I don't know what that's about. Hotel California, still don't know what that's about. This one, but it just makes me feel good. And it's definitely not pop. This is like a fusion. It's highly percussive, a la the Allman Brothers and Skinner, that are very percussive Southern rock bands. And though this, I wouldn't classify this as Southern rock, this is a fusion of rock, a little bit of jazz, a little bit of country, a little bit of folk, just sort of put it in there, and it just feels good. So anyway, guys, leave your thoughts. If you're a deadhead and have found your way here for the first time, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Hope we see you around the channel a bit more too. So there you go. All right, guys, that's going in the Country Heart Series playlist. Have a great day. I'll see you on another video. Keep rocking the country, or songs with a country heart.
What do you want me to do?